Bikes are good for many things. They can cover daily commuting needs or can be part of your relaxing cruises. However, they are built fairly simple, and if you want to get the best out of it, you need some gear and gadgets. Not only can they increase the function of the bikes, but also their safety. That brings us to today's video of bike gadgets and accessories you should consider. The pedal porteur lets you transport gear without resorting to a car. Designed by Gordon McMorran, this innovative bike cargo system offers a modular design that adapts to various needs. The system includes a freedom platform that adjusts in both length and width, along with bamboo side rails and telescoping arm extensions for flexible loading options. It's compatible with a wide range of bike types, from mountain bikes to gravel bikes, making it versatile for any rider. Loading cargo is easy, with an intuitive design that eliminates the need for complicated straps or bungee cords. Plus, the system is built with sustainability in mind, using recyclable materials like aluminum and bamboo. Torch Backpack Plus Smart Light is a cyclist's dream for urban commuting, combining practicality with enhanced safety features. Designed to keep everything organized, the 23-liter backpack offers compartments for laptops, tablets, cables, and even a sunglasses pocket with a soft lining. There's also a bottom compartment for wet gear and side pockets for water bottles and keys. But what truly sets it apart is its integrated smart light, offering 120 lumens of brightness for visibility in low-light conditions. This light is customizable via an app, allowing cyclists to adjust flashing or continuous modes. Plus, it syncs with the Unit 1 Faro helmet for brake and indicator signaling, improving overall safety. With a USB-C charge time of just 2.5 hours and impressive battery life, the Torch Backpack Plus is perfect for anyone looking to make their commute more organized and secure. Its IP76 water resistance ensures it stands up to any weather. The Brighton Guardia R300L keeps the rider alert while on the road. With a 207-yard detection range and a wide 220-degree viewing angle, it alerts you to approaching vehicles from a significant distance, giving you plenty of time to react. The bright 73-lumen taillight increases visibility for up to a mile, making it perfect for both day and night rides. It offers 6 light modes and an impressive 17-hour battery life, ensuring long-lasting use. The easy-to-mount system fits various seat posts, while its IPX7 waterproof rating ensures it withstands the elements. For added convenience, the radar syncs with the Brighton Guardia app for smartphone integration, letting you keep track of your ride and vehicle alerts in real time. Whether you're commuting or hitting the trails, the Guardia R300L enhances your awareness, making every ride safer and more enjoyable. For those serious about hitting the slopes, the Smith Optics 4D Mag Fit goggles are a game changer. Designed with snow sports enthusiasts in mind, these goggles offer a 25% larger field of view compared to their IO Mag counterparts, thanks to the bird's eye vision technology. This means better peripheral vision, so you can stay aware of your surroundings and navigate with ease. The ChromaPop lens technology takes color clarity to the next level, making everything pop in vibrant detail. Plus, the Mag Lens change system lets you swap lenses in a snap with the help of magnets, so you're always ready for changing weather conditions. The 4D Mag package comes with 2 lenses, a rose gold mirror lens for sunny days, and a storm rose flash for low light. Additional lenses are available for further customization. If you're looking to boost your safety while cycling, the West Biking Anti-Glare Handlebar Bike Mirror is a solid choice. Designed for handlebars with a diameter of 20-23 millimeters, this left-side mirror offers a 360-degree rotatable lens and a 60-degree reversible feature, ensuring you get a wide, clear view of what's behind you, way better than your average bike mirror. Plus, with a 50mm telescopic adjustment, you can fine-tune the mirror's position to get the perfect angle for your ride. The mirror's automotive-grade anti-glare lens is a game-changer, cutting down on the harsh sun reflections that can often obstruct your view. Its retractable rod, made from durable PA and PP material, folds away easily and can be adjusted in length, keeping it out of your way when needed. Whether you ride an e-bike, mountain bike, or BMX, This mirror fits a variety of bikes and helps increase your rear visibility by up to 30%. For cyclists who value the ability to perform quick chain repairs on the go, the Wotow Bike Chain Repair Toolkit is the perfect kit. This handy, multifunctional kit is compatible with 6 to 10 speed chains and includes all the essential tools for maintaining and fixing your chain. The chain breaker and splitter make it easy to remove or install chain pins for shortening or replacing your chain. You also get a wear indicator checker, so you can assess when your chain is due for a replacement, avoiding any unexpected breakdowns. The Master Link pliers make installing or removing Master Links a breeze, and with their anti-slip handles, you'll have a secure grip every time. Plus, the kit comes with 3 reusable missing links for temporary chain repairs, making it even more practical for long rides. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual rider, this kit ensures your chain stays in top shape. The Rock Bros Bike Bell offers a perfect blend of functionality and design for cyclists who want both safety and style. Despite its compact size, this hidden bell packs a punch, delivering a loud and clear 100 decibel sound, ensuring you're heard even in the busiest environments. It fits easily on 22.2mm, 25.4mm, and 31.8mm handlebars with a simple one-screw installation, making it hassle-free to set up. The bell's durable construction from rust-resistant aluminum alloy and PC ensures it can withstand various weather conditions, adding to its longevity. The hidden design not only saves valuable handlebar space, but also adds a sleek, minimalistic look to your bike. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on a trail, this bell offers peace of mind without compromising on your bike's aesthetics. The Town Mouse Bikes Center Light offers cyclists a sleek, high-quality lighting solution that combines functionality with style. Crafted from durable machined aluminum, it steers clear of the flimsy plastic used in many bike lights, giving it a premium feel and longevity. The twist-lock aluminum mounting mechanism ensures the light stays securely in place, offering easy removal when needed and deterring theft. With 3 lighting modes and up to 400 lumens, it provides an ideal balance between brightness and battery life, while a low battery indicator dims the light to conserve power when running low. The light uses a replaceable 19350 rechargeable battery, making it more cost-effective and extending its lifespan. Sustainability is a key focus, as the packaging is fully recyclable and internal components are easily separable for responsible recycling. Perfect for cyclists who want a high-performance light without sacrificing design or environmental impact. The C-Sense Icon 3 rear light is touted as one of the smartest bike lights available, offering advanced features designed to improve visibility, safety, and rider engagement. With a 350 lumen rear light, nearly 20% brighter than its predecessor, the Icon 2, it utilizes CoB and focused LEDs for a significant brightness boost. The Icon 3 enhances visibility with a 270-degree field of side visibility, ensuring you're seen from multiple angles, while its diverse flash modes, including the adaptive light sensing mode and brake mode, cater to various riding conditions. The twist and lock mount and USB-C charging make setup and maintenance simple, and the light's impressive 15-hour runtime on reactive flash ensures extended use. Smart technology integration sets the Icon 3 apart, with collision and near-miss detection, ride statistics, and even emergency notifications sent to contacts in case of a crash. The BYB Tech Focus is an ultra-portable, high-beam bicycle light that brings powerful lighting and smart features to the cycling world. With a 5,000-lumen high beam that can be adjusted from 500 to 5,000 lumens, riders can customize their visibility based on their surroundings. The light offers multiple modes, including a beacon light for signaling, a steady light for continuous illumination, and a rear light controlled via a smartphone app. For added safety, the Focus includes an anti-glare STVZO lens, tilt and motion sensors, and an ambient light sensor for automatic brightness adjustment. It also features a remote control for hands-free operation, and the device itself has easy-to-use buttons. The smart tech within the Focus includes a dual-core processor, low-power wireless connectivity, and optimized battery performance for cold weather. With accessories like mounting options and USB-C charging, the Focus is the ideal companion for both urban commuters and off-road adventurers. The ZI Lock is a game-changing foldable smart bike lock designed to elevate bicycle security with its advanced features. Unlike traditional locks, it offers keyless entry through fingerprint scanning or a smartphone app, making it incredibly convenient and secure. The lock is crafted from 6.5mm hardened steel bars, anti-drilling components, and 7mm diameter rivets, ensuring it's far more secure than standard chain locks. Its foldable design makes it easily portable, fitting neatly into a carrying case for on-the-go convenience. The Z-Lock also features a motion sensor that detects unauthorized tampering and sends immediate alerts to the user's smartphone, adding an extra layer of protection. Plus, with the ability to share temporary access codes and a long-lasting battery life of up to 3 months, this lock is as practical as it is innovative. Even when the battery runs low, manual unlocking is still possible. The Garmin Rally RS200 power meter pedals are a game-changer for cyclists looking to enhance their performance with precise data tracking. These pedals not only measure power and cadence, but also provide advanced cycling dynamics like left-right power balance to identify any leg imbalances. They track pedaling position effectiveness, allowing cyclists to optimize their efficiency by understanding how time spent in different pedal positions impacts performance. Additionally, the RS200 monitors the power phase to show where power is being generated during the pedal stroke, and the platform center offset ensures your cleats are optimally positioned. Compatible with Shimano SPD SL cleats, the pedals boast up to 120 hours of battery life, making them reliable for long rides. Seamlessly integrating with Garmin Edge cycling computers and the Garmin Connect app, as well as platforms like Strava and Training Peaks, these pedals are built for durability and are perfect for road, gravel, and cyclocross cyclists seeking a comprehensive power measurement solution. The Rockbros Bike Bag Phone Mount is a great accessory for cyclists who need a secure, waterproof solution to store their phones and essentials. Designed to fit phones under 6.8 inches, it features a tough EVA hardshell that provides excellent protection against impacts, while the carbon fiber outer layer ensures durability and abrasion resistance. With its seamless double zippers and rain cover, this bag guarantees your items stay dry in wet conditions. The transparent TPU touchscreen window allows you to easily operate your phone without removing it, making it perfect for navigation or quick calls while on the move. The bag offers ample storage space, not just for your phone, but also for wallets, keys, power banks, and other small items. Mesh compartments keep everything organized, and the secure hook and loop fasteners ensure the bag stays in place even on rough roads. The Geo Orbital wheel converts a standard bike into an e-bike in under 60 seconds. No tools are needed for installation, making it an incredibly easy upgrade for most adult-sized bikes with 26-inch or 700cc front wheels and rim brakes. Powered by a 500-watt brushless DC motor, the wheel can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour in just 6 seconds, with a range of up to 50 miles on pedal assist or 12 miles with minimal pedaling. The wheel also boasts a flat-proof solid foam tire, eliminating the worry of flats, and an all-wheel drive system that integrates motor power with pedaling. The installation process is quick, and the only extra component is a thumb throttle that attaches to the handlebar. Plus, it features a built-in USB outlet for charging devices on the go, and the removable battery doubles as a portable power bank. The Omata One is a unique analog GPS speedometer designed to enhance cycling experiences by presenting key metrics in an easy-to-read analog format. This innovative device simplifies cycling data by displaying speed, distance, ascent, and time, reducing cognitive load and allowing cyclists to focus more on the ride. Its high-precision GPS tracking ensures accurate data, which can be exported via USB-C to platforms like Strava for further analysis. The Omata One is built with durable materials such as Plancast Plus 5083 aluminum and PEEK, making it resistant to water and dust, ensuring longevity even in harsh environments. With an impressive 24-hour battery life, the device features a bespoke numeral set, Omata Numeral Regular, for improved legibility. It's available in white or gray, with the option to switch between mile per hour or kilometer per hour units, making it adaptable to various cycling needs. So, that was our list of bike gadgets and accessories you should consider. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful.